everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, your girl, Zara Kiki TV, aka the young YouTuber in Highland. Please guys, if today is your first time to come across this my YouTube channel, please do not forget to subscribe, press the notification bell. Anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. If you're my returning subscriber, thank you so much for always stopping by. See you guys in my next video. Bye bye. Hello, my people. It don't say oh. How na day? Please share. It don't tell my people. Long time no see. See me oh. See una again. Tina show. So please, me wanna share this video to read this more, okay? Don't just talk for about what they go home. You know, I've been out for some time now. I know they post. I know they come around to come say hi. So I just didn't want kind busy, baby and all this stuff. So I just get some more free time. I talk to now. So how na day now, my people? How na day? How na the popori? Happy new month. This month go bring favor to una doorstep. Yeah. Anyone are una hand go better for una. So please share this video. My message to Jama First Lady. Some people can lie. I don't know why some people they lie like this. Why? Why some people go they see something or you don't go even look to the end or to the root of something before you go come out come the talk. Jama First Lady, this message now for you. Please, wanna share this video. Some of now when I see the video when we say he made some time ago, if not go remember. Some video when he do some time ago when he can say Emanuela say he get belle. When I watch that video, I say, this woman, they fake to the carry fake news. How can you say this small pikin? I even go Instagram, say Emanuela Instagram, nothing like that. This woman carry go. Now so Emanuela don't get belle. It say na play. Say if all these celebrity now they won't grow up small, they go they forge something they come out. When I watch the video, I say, you don't finish. You don't go even find the root again. You don't go even know whether na truth or na lie or how this small picking of yesterday take carry belle. What now you give her one moon now? When I watch the video, I know say na lie. Until yesterday, I can't see the post. Where they say Manuel, I can't even reply to people when they say they call her, I can't go watch the comments. People they tell her say, we thought you are pregnant. People just they write, see comments for fake news when this woman they carry the waka. That's why you see talk for pastor on. Una remember, pastor when we say whether they do crusade, 2 women when we say they are one pikin die for inside, they are 2 pikin die for inside. This woman carry go. He say no, so it happen. Now so it happen. So it happen no. So they put life for your head. You know what thing they talk or rice. You don't know what thing they talk. Jama First Lady, this your lie is getting too much. It's getting too much. Now, mommy love now come out can't talk the truth. If not, now some people for they believe you. Now some people for they believe you they go. For this fake news when you say you they carry the waka. You don't even know the beginning and the ending. Or maybe you even find the root of that topic or that video. May you know whether not truth or not false. You say small pikin carry belle will rise. The girl don't come out and say, say you no get belle. You say na rumor. Jama First Lady, wait wait for the get all this news. If I may ask. And wait, who give you the audacity to the carry news when you say na fake? I'm coming, my people. My baby they disturb. So who give you the right to they carry fake news? They talk lie, they put lie for people's head. What you know happen? You go say na so it happen. Eh, Jama first lady. Sir, if you don't stop for this lie when you be saying the lie of fake news, lie when they put for you know say you don't fair get matter for ground. You know, you don't fair get matter for ground. If you let them come for you, join this one way day. Jama government, you know, go save you. You understand? All the old lie when they lie for live video, now so Jama know the help and will write Jama. He get help. Now Jama be the Jama first lady when he beat today. Now Jama be the shepherd when he gets. This woman come out. He say no. He say na lie. He say why they will talk like that. He say that he do everything by himself. Well, rise. This woman is a big and stupid liar. If you not stop for this lie, when they lie up and down for social media, they go. These fake things when they carry, they go. Now so far say you just see news, life don't finish. If you just see say that so this one just happen, then you go job by yourself, they analyzing. Which is very bad. If you don't stop this thing, people will go come after you. You don't say them many now. There many. But the people when they say you don't carry their picture, you don't use and do thumbnail, you don't write nonsense for their picture, use and do video just because of money. When they go come for you, there that German government, you know, will save you. Even that your husband when they help you, they edit that picture, you know go stay at that time. You understand? Stop to the carry fake news. Stop to the carry fake news. Not be so they take the find view. Not be so. Carry what people will understand. Carry what people go know you for. Know you as good. Say they talk truth. Not be for bad. You understand me? So same go to that African Jama, Jama woman where they say come out. When he say, I'm coming like people. My picky just dey disturb. Nobody to play with her. So same go to that Jama girl when he say come out. When he say na so they won't carry picky, I can remember early said last 2 months, abi. Yes, I see the video. Anyway, I don't watch the beginning of the video, but I see the video. When they talk say they won't carry a picky on. Na so teacher won't try. Na so they take the carry picky. They couple brazier for a picky school bag. See, oh, they won't carry a picky on this and that. When I watch the video, I ask me myself, I even get pity on her. You understand? I even get pity on her. Not knowing say all these things, all these people when people say that they come out, they say, "Jama won't collect my picky or Italy won't collect my picky." They know they can't collect person picky like that. If my life, then make my right hand here. So now all those all those nyama thing where people say that they do, now make all these white people they see, they say, this one don't look responsible. Make we take it picky, make it they fly. If you like it fly, go anywhere, make it they fly, they go. Now all those things when we say that they do, now they cause them. Well, after they will come and so Jama won't collect my picking. Now so what you do? Now just you sit down your own, they'll come carry your picking without you not do anything. My people share this video. You understand? You come out now for where your children they. You they play love, I be they kiss, I don't know. With man, for where your children they background, they look you. Your children they look you. Which lesson are you teaching them? Tomorrow now, they can say they won't pack the remaining 4 children. I be they say they don't carry one self. They can't pack the remaining self. You even re-talk for the video, say, you never even finish born. You say you never finish born. You say you go still born thousands. You won't born nation. Now this one now you call Europe can't do, madam. Now this one now you call Europe can't do. Jama collect my pikin. If you see that they cry tomorrow, they come out for live video. They talk say Jama collect their pikin. You go to pity for them. Whereas they no go talk what happen. Whereas they no go tell you what they see. Whereas they no go tell you see what they do. Some mothers are irresponsible for this Europe. Now make the white people now. Then they are not foolish now. They know mumu. If they do something, they go they look you. They go just they look you. Then they find where they say they'll hook you. So that if you be say they won't collect that pikin, you don't get excuse. You understand? They don't just carry us, they call say, I won't carry your pikin, or you do this one, you don't do this one, I won't carry your pikin, just like that. They are not foolish. If they find pikin, their own work for you not to adopt. Some people, I don't see some Italians or some white people. If they not get pikin, they will go buy doll. Now lie, my people. They will go buy doll they use it. They'll put her for their bed. Also go adopt. They not say because of say they want pikin. Maybe they go they find pikin when they won't carry by all means, by a crook. No. You understand? Now your character now they make them. They put I say this woman is not responsible. For those things when we say you do this woman for live video, you still come out because they get mad. Why Jama no go see you as a responsible woman? Why Jama no see you say, this woman, you know they capable to take care of these children. Make you take her from her. Make it they fly, they go. Since now man I be the problem, make it they do, make it they sleep anyhow they go. Because the way when your eye there for your head, if you like person when be say you ready to follow any man, anything when we say a long way there between leg. Yes. Okay, you are a single mother of four different father. One no teach you lesson. Two no teach you lesson. You see them. You see them. After they say men no good, men no good, men no good. One teach you lesson. Say, see be wise. You know still get sense. 2, 3, 4, 5. 4 self. Now, you don't see, they won't see collector from your hand. You say you never finish. Now, this one now you call Europe condo. As every year said, they say don't take for Europe here. As you don't take this, you don't get anything when you say you don't do. Now, to they sleep around, to they do all this kind of thing when they say that all these whites now, they don't see your character now, they won't carry your children when they say you suffer upon. I'm not sure say he pay you when you want born now. Because I will say he pay you. If for they responsible. I will say pay you if for they responsible. My people must share this video. Get sense because this character, that's the way you perform. For live video, for public, people are watching. Even the white people, sometimes they scroll or just see wear black, they don't say see them. See them. All these things where we say you do, they go see Sian, they go say Sian. That be the reason why we say they won't carry your picking. Later you go cry, come out to, hey, Jama don't kill me, Jama don't do this one. What did you do? Do you think they're after you or they're after your children when you say you're abroad here? They are here to help you. Okay? Now, if you don't make use of yourself and you know they're responsible, now they will call for you because they don't want to take those nonsense. Because they respect children well for this Europe. If you don't take piki, if you don't value piki, then they said they go help you value. Now, like my people, they go collect and they go make use of it. Yes. Make it they fly, they go. See what you come out for live video, they talk na so wish na mommy water na the world that this and this. Who cares? Who cares? Even said the one when you come out call they talk say na so people they talk. Who cares whether you get man or you don't get man? Not be as they foolish yourself. Now make the one collect. You don't say you see they foolish yourself. Nobody cares. If you have a man, you don't get man. Nobody cares. You understand, my people? Everybody now with their own for this Europe. Make use of your brain. If you get picky, maternal, white people no they. They're responsible to your children. They're not going to carry your picking. You understand me? As you did that, you know, you are not a responsible mother. Because a responsible mother will not, they do that kind of thing. They romance for the present of your picking, your children, that they cry for background. Which is very bad, my people. How not see them? You understand me? It's not good. If they come now, they come out the children now, they go say now so they be they'll begin to cry for phone. Maybe they need help, they go they call for help. Our Nigerians when we say they see get good mind, they'll come out. But what you do that yesterday, I don't know yesterday I even do the video because I watched her yesterday. What you do that yesterday, even though say you cry for next generation, nobody go answer you. I'm just telling you the truth. Nobody will answer you are irresponsible woman. You are shameless. You are a shameful and disgraceful woman. You don't get shame for her at all. Which lesson do you want to teach your children? What do you want to tell your children if they grow? How you think say everything what they do for media, it go come out? No, except say you delete them. As they fly, they go out. Even though say you delete us, you don't come up for them. You don't come out. Your children go live to come see her. What is the lesson? What you they teach your pikin? Tomorrow now they come up for your hand. They'll go on that family. You remain like that. You begin to start to the born again. They foolish yourself. They go. Is that what you want to use your life for? Now, so you want to use your life for, which is very bad. Make we dey responsible. If we get picky, make we handle that way. Because this white people not say that day after also, but they want to make we they take care of our children. Take care because they said they only use picking till they play. They know they use picking play. Now picking be first for them. You understand? If they do something, they go say now picking make picking dey front first. Not to talk of say you can't mesterize how they say talk. They do anyhow. They talk nonsense out of your mouth. Who ask you? Nobody asks. Nobody cares. People are only pity. They only they pity for you before. They see what you can't do. You spoil everything. You sure say you don't need help at all. You sure say what you make them want collect your picky now because of this reason, because of this useless and stinky act of yours. So that is my message for you. Change if you not change. And also Africa German First Lady continue to carry bad news and fake news they waka. News where you don't know the beginning and you don't know the end. Continue because if they come for you, those people when they lie for the eye, if they come for you, you go run past us. So that's my message for German First Lady. And that lady won't cry come out. So I'll see you some other time. Make una remain blessed. Yeah? Now take.